Peter's Convent School, established in 2013 and run by the CMC sisters, has successfully completed 11 glorious years. Currently, it is under the visionary leadership of our manager, Sister Annette CMC, and our principal, Dr. Sister Sharon, an inspiring leader known for her innovative vision and commitment to academic excellence. The school is supported by a dedicated and value-oriented staff. A teacher plays an important role in shaping young minds. Alongside the teachers, the tireless efforts of the administrative staff ensure the seamless functioning of the institution. Inspired by the wisdom of our founder, Saint Kuriakos Elias Chavra, who said, "The purpose of education is not just to impart knowledge, but to build character." We are committed to prepare our students for life, nurturing values that empower them to become responsible and compassionate individuals in society.
Reporting live from St. Peter's Convent School, I, Elena,
And Swara,
both in class 3rd. We are here to share the highlights of an incredible academic year 2024 and 25.
our class 10 students really outed themselves this year with a 100% result in the AISSC examination, and out of 79 students, more than 48 students have got above 80%, and we are feeling proud to say 19 of them have got more than 90%.
And not just in exams, right? Our students showed their skills in various inter-schools competitions too.
Absolutely! We are proud to share that students of all age groups secured positions and accolades that brought immense pride to our institution.
And we can't forget the mathletics competition at Manaskriti School. Rudra Singh, Nikit Yadav and Utkarshveer Agarwal won gold medals.
Apart from mathletics, every year, many of our students participate in various Olympiad examinations, and just see the result.
Big win indeed. At St. Peter's, we are also committed to continuous learning for our teachers and capacity building programs conducted by CBSE, workshops and training sessions.
It's really great how teachers and parents work together too. Our regular PTA meetings make sure there's always an open communication.
Absolutely. This year has been incredibly enriching we conducted democratic elections to select our student leaders, followed by a grand investiture ceremony to officially induct them. Additionally, we organized Expo 24, a vibrant exhibition where students can showcase their innovative projects and talents, leaving everyone inspired.
And then we had a thrilling mega quiz competition, Trivia Triumph, conducted by the Dynamic Social Science Department,
and an insightful mock parliament session to help students. Our students also have partaken in Spelltopia, a lively spelling competition designed to enhance vocabulary and spelling accuracy.
And let's talk about the celebrations. Independence Day was celebrated to ignite patriotism and honor the sacrifices made for our freedom.
To honor the patrons' legacy, School Patrons' Day was celebrated to uphold values of integrity, compassion and resilience.
To foster motivation and a spirit of success within the school community, Honors Day was celebrated to recognize and appreciate students' achievements.
Celebrations of peace and harmony with prayers from 9 different religions conducted to highlight the importance of universal brotherhood, and so many other celebrations helped us bond and reflect on our school's values.
That's right. Our kindergarten students had a wonderful time exploring through specially themed days like Yellow Day, Blue Day, and Tiranga Day. These events not only introduced them to colors in an engaging way, but also instilled a sense of national pride from an early age.
Moving on to sports, this year's achievements were amazing. Siddhi Parashar made us proud by winning first place in the long jump and third in the 100-meter race at SGFI district level competition.
Yes, and then there was a district roller skating event. Araf, Ansh, and Myra took first, Amir and Parth second, Arohi and Anirudh third. It was a day full of wins.
Our yoga, taekwondo, and gymnastics champs also brought home many gold, silver, and bronze medals and titles. It's truly inspiring to see their dedication.
Athlon 24, our annual sport meet, was such a big highlight. Arjuna Award Sri Singh Raj Adhana was the chief guest, and it was so exciting to have him inaugurate the event and be inspired by his life story.
The energy on the field was electric. Every student from nursery to class 10 gave it their all, and our teamwork and sportsmanship really shone through.
Absolutely! We are happy to announce that our Sapphire House stood as champions and Emerald House as first runner-ups. With all these sports events, St. Peter's really built a foundation for personal growth, leadership, and a strong sense of community.
At St. Peter's, we believe that an essential part of education is fostering social responsibility in our students.
This year, we inaugurated a social outreach program, Sat Seva, with the motto of extending a helping hand across borders in collaboration with HelpAge India. We have invited grandparents from a local old age home to honor them, and it was such a heartwarming experience.
Seeing our students connect with the elderly was really special. We also organized a winter clothing drive under Sat Seva, collecting warm clothes and blankets for grandparents and for those in need in our community. Our students not only dined with them but also performed for them, creating a day filled with joy, laughter, and meaningful connections.
And don't forget our food donation drive. More than 500 food packets are being distributed to street children and the slum dwellers at the railway station with the help of an NGO in Faridabad.
It's amazing to see how much kindness and community spirit our school can inspire. We believe that a nature conservation and environmental protection are the responsibilities for every individual.
To inspire our students to care for nature, we started a plantation drive to promote plastic-free campus in our school. It's all about creating a greener future. St. Peter's Convent School provides a robust infrastructure to support the academic and personal growth for our students.
Our campus includes 60 digital classrooms, a 1200-seat auditorium, a library with more than 15,000 books, 5 fully equipped laboratories, and school buses with CCTV cameras to ensure safety and convenience. Advancements aimed at expanding academic and learning opportunities for our students.
We are thrilled to share that St. Peter's Convent School will be introducing commerce, arts, and science streams with the launch of Class 11th starting from the academic year 2026-27.
And definitely, the new initiation of STEM Robotic Lab will totally change the studies of our students and upcoming years.
And we are upgrading our classrooms
For many more updates, stay tuned till we meet again.